A very happy morning to my cute little children. So kids, here we are with subject science and our chapter number 5, rocks and minerals. Our today's topic is metamorphic rocks. Date 31st August 2020. So come on children, let's begin our class. Now children, we will be studying metamorphic rocks. Okay? और लास्ट क्लास में हमने क्या पढ़ा था? हमने पढ़ा था igneous rocks and sedimentary rocks. And children, the metamorphic rocks are formed from igneous rocks and sedimentary rocks. See children, what happens is, जो igneous और sedimentary rocks होती है, they undergo a lot of pressure because of upper layer of the rocks. ठीक है, यहाँ पर पहले थी sedimentary rocks और igneous rocks. ठीक है, फिर उसके बाद क्या हुआ? Because of the pressure exerted by the upper layers of the rock. ये आपको दिख रही है, यहाँ से आता है pressure and heat from the molten rocks. Two things. Because of the pressure, because of the pressure and heat from the molten rocks. Again I am repeating two things. From pressure from the upper rocks and heat from the molten rocks. What happens? The sedimentary rocks and the igneous rocks gets converted into metamorphic rocks. Okay, the mineral content inside them changes. And children, this is how metamorphic rocks are formed. Now we will be seeing different types of metamorphic rocks. Okay, so let's start. The first one is marble, and marble is formed from limestone, and limestone is a sedimentary rock. ये हमने लास्ट क्लास में पढ़ा है कि limestone एक sedimentary rock है. और अभी थोड़ी देर पहले हमने पढ़ा कि जो मेटामॉर्फिक रॉक्स होते हैं वो सेडिमेंट्री रॉक्स से बनते हैं. सो मार्बल इज अ मेटामॉर्फिक रॉक एंड दिस मार्बल इज फॉर्म्ड फ्रॉम लाइमस्टोन विच इज अ सेडिमेंट्री रॉक. Okay kids, and you are all aware about marble. Come on, tell me some characteristics of marble. Yes, they come in different colors. They can be polished easily. Okay, carving can be done very easily from them, and they are used in making of buildings, monuments, etc. The second metamorphic rock is slate, and slate is formed from shale, which is a sedimentary rock. Okay, हर एक metamorphic rock दूसरी sedimentary या फिर igneous rock से बनती है. And children, this slate is grey or light pinkish in color. It can be broken down very easily, and it is used in writing. It is used in making of boards, blackboards. It is also used in making of roofs and so on. The next metamorphic rock is gneiss. How it is pronounced? Gneiss. Okay, it is formed from the igneous rock granite. And see children, see the picture of this rock. Can you see? There are some dark and light bands. है ना, आप dark और light bands देख सकते हो ना यहाँ पर. देखो, ये dark band है, फिर light band, फिर यहाँ पर dark band, है ना. So what happens during its formation is the minerals present inside the rocks get separated. And because of that, dark and light bands are formed. And this type of rock also shines. Why? Because of the presence of a mineral known as mica. And because of mica's presence, shiny appearance comes in this rock. Now comes our last metamorphic rock, that is quartzite. And quartzite is formed from, come on tell me, it is formed from sandstone, which is a sedimentary rock. So children, quartzite is formed from sandstone, which is a sedimentary rock. As you can see here, चलो ये फोटो देख के मुझे बताओ, what will be the uses of quartzite? Yes, it is used in making of statues, and there are other uses also. It is used to make statues. It is also used in making glass and in ceramic industries. In ceramic industries and in making of glass also quartzite is used, children. And this rock is very hard. It can even scratch the steel. It is so hard, kids. So children, for today this was it. Now time for worksheet. So here is your worksheet. Topic: metamorphic rocks. Give any two examples of metamorphic rocks. State types of metamorphic rock. Give uses of marble. How are metamorphic rocks formed? State different types of metamorphic rocks. Give uses of slate, gneiss and quartzite. All this we have covered in our video. So children, study very well, keep smiling, be happy. May God bless you.